Have you ever wondered why the earth doesn't constantly shake beneath our feet? The Qur'an gave us the answer over 1400 years ago, long before modern science uncovered it. Stay with me, because today on Ayats and Atoms, we'll explore the powerful role of mountains and their hidden connection to stability. The Qur'an says, "We set firm mountains on the earth so it would not shake with you." At first glance, this might seem simple, but modern geology has proven just how deep this truth is. For centuries, people thought mountains were nothing more than giant peaks rising above the land. But today, scientists know that mountains have massive roots stretching deep into the earth, sometimes 10 to 15 times deeper than their visible height. Think about Mount Everest. Its visible height is around 9 kilometers, yet its hidden root extends more than 125 kilometers underground. Just like a peg holding down a tent, mountains act as stabilizers for the Earth's crust. So how do mountains form? When giant plates of the Earth's surface collide, one slips beneath the other, pushing up the land above it and creating towering mountains. At the same time, the plates press downward, forming deep foundations that anchor these mountains firmly into the ground. This process takes millions of years, but the result is a structure that stabilizes the land we live on. Professor Seed, a world-renowned geologist, explained that whether on land or under the ocean, mountains always have roots to support them. This balance is known in geology as isostasy, the natural stability of Earth's crust. Even leading scientists like Dr. Frank Press, former president of the U.S. National Academy of Sciences, describe mountains as stakes driven deep into the ground. Now compare this with the Quran's words, "Have we not made the earth as a wide expanse and the mountains as pegs?" How could such precise knowledge appear in the Quran at a time when no science or technology existed? Let's go deeper. Mountains don't just stand as stabilizers, they also play a role in redirecting seismic energy. When earthquakes occur, mountains absorb and scatter seismic waves, preventing widespread destruction across the surface. Scientists studying the Himalayan region found that the range acts as a natural shock absorber, protecting vast areas from stronger quakes. Isn't it incredible how Allah designed them for both beauty and protection? The Quran highlights this again in Surah Luqman 31:10. "He created the heavens without pillars that you see, and set on the earth firm mountains, lest it should shake with you." This verse not only speaks of physical stability, but also reflects balance in creation. Mountains are also vital for life itself. They influence weather and climate by blocking winds and capturing moisture. The snow and glaciers on mountains like the Himalayas store fresh water that feeds rivers, providing life to billions of people. In fact, more than half of the world's population depends on water that originates in mountain regions. Without mountains, our planet would face chaos in both stability and survival. Another fascinating aspect is that mountains are rich in minerals. Gold, copper, iron, and countless other resources essential for human civilization are found within them. The Quran reminds us in Surah Al-Hijr 15:19, "And the earth we have spread out, and placed therein firm mountains, and caused to grow therein all kinds of things in due proportion." This verse connects stability, provision, and balance, three gifts hidden within mountains. When we see volcanoes, some might think they are destructive. Yet even these fiery mountains play a role in balancing Earth's internal pressure and enriching the soil with minerals, making land fertile for life. Once again, what looks dangerous has hidden wisdom behind it. Modern geophysics confirms that without mountains, the crust of the Earth would be much thinner and unstable. Life as we know it would not be possible. This scientific reality was completely unknown 1400 years ago, yet the Quran described it with precision. For believers, this is a clear sign of Allah's wisdom. Mountains are not random. They're designed as anchors to bring stability stability to our world. They hold the Earth steady, provide resources, regulate climate, and sustain life. Truly, they are signs for those who reflect. So the next time you see a mountain, remember, it's not just a beautiful sight, but a reminder of the harmony between the Qur'an and science. Each peak whispers the truth of creation, echoing the words of Allah and reminding us that knowledge is not limited to human discovery. Some truths were revealed long before science could even dream of them. If you found this amazing connection eye-opening, make sure to like this video, share it with others, and subscribe to Ayats and Atoms for more insights where faith meets science.